Hey guys, welcome to a new tutorial, and in this one we're gonna see how to create fake tap areas and how to import videos and play videos inside Principle. So let's get started. So imagine we want to click on this Wonder Woman card 1 and we want to play the trailer of Wonder Woman. So basically if you click on this CTA region or CTA area, which is watch on Hulu, the CTA group, so that's a tap area for this CTA. So when you click on this, you will the movie will get started and you can watch it on Hulu. But we want to see the trailer, so the major region where you can see the trailer is this area. But I also want, like, you can click over this area, like the remaining one, which you can see here, this one, where if I click on this title, if I click on this ratings, I want this trailer to play. So how we gonna do that? Because if we gonna select this and click on tap and click here, then the trailer will play. But I want to uh, do something here by which I can click here and the trailer can play. So basically what I mean is I'm gonna create a rectangle, and I remember we have already done this in a previous lesson, and I'm gonna just create a little bit of gap from the CTA so that it's not on top of it, and create kind of a region. And I'm also gonna extend it to the side, so basically if you click outside also, the movie will play. So basically this is a region where if I tap on, Wonder Woman will play. So this is inside card 1, so if card 1 moves also, this box stays with card 1. So that's a nice part, right? So I'm just gonna rename this layer to tap area or tap region. Basically I'm gonna just extend this to see it clearly. So basically if I click on this, you can play the trailer, and I'm gonna just reduce the fill opacity of this. You can't see the tap area, but it's already there, so you can click on it. You can add any kind of trigger to that area. So now we want to import the video. So how do we do that? So before moving to that, let's click on this tap region and click on tap, that is a fake tap area, and click on it. And on the fake tap areas too, which is second artboard, let's just say promo, and a first artboard, let's rename it to home page. So basically moving from home page to promo. So we have already done this kind of drill. We just gonna move this header to the top and reduce the opacity to 0. Move this footer bar down, move or reduce the opacity to 0, sorry, and gonna move this card to down somewhere here, reduce opacity to 0. So basically I'm just playing around with position and opacity. That's only a few things you're gonna do to just create a quick animation. So, and here we're gonna do is basically I'm gonna just you can think about the animation here. So basically I'm gonna select this movie poster and maybe increase the size of that somewhere here. Yeah, that looks good. And basically move this entire thing to the top and maybe reduce opacity to 0 because we don't need anything from here. And I'm just gonna copy these components from here, which is this title, play button, go back and watch now. And I'm just gonna group them here and call them elements, maybe extra elements or something, and just gonna copy them from here and move it here. And now we're gonna import the video. So just import Wonder Woman. Just you can bring it like this and just align it somewhere here and just scale it until it fits. So this is how it looks, and I'm gonna move it just below the elements, so it looks something like this. Sorry for the sound, you can let me reduce the sound. Yeah, so now let's click this Wonder Woman trailer. I'm gonna reduce the rename the promo to basically promo, call it promo, and just gonna copy this and put it on layer 1 and reduce the size to 1 or maybe a little bit more or less somewhere here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna group it. That's a nice idea, and let's call the group 2 promo, and maybe just reduce this somewhere like this. Yeah, this looks good. And select clip sublayers. So basically this will clip those borders from outside. So I'm just gonna select this and select clip sublayer, so it will remove the borders, and that's a nice part. I'm just gonna place it somewhere on this Wonder Woman poster, bring it and put it over the poster image, and this looks so nice. And I'm just gonna maybe do it like this and select the promo, do it like this. Maybe you can increase the size to maybe 1.08. yes, and maybe you can align it a little bit. Maybe the size is a little bit more, maybe 4. 1.02, I guess that will work. Yeah, and maybe somewhere here, and increase the roundness maybe to 12. You can see from here, yeah, 20 will work fine. Yeah, so this is how the trailer looks here. This is so amazing, and when you click on that region, you can play the particular trailer in the vertical version, of course, and also you can obviously rotate it horizontally and then can play it when you switch the phone to horizontal. Yeah, so now let's see the animation again. The animation is happening too fast. So what is happening, so let me copy this promo video again from there, and let me remove this promo from here and go to card 1 and copy this promo video and go to card 1 again and increase opacity to that. Yep, that's nice. And okay, so basically we had, okay, so what I'm gonna do again, I'm gonna just delete this card from here. I'm just gonna copy this card and paste it here, so I don't think there's gonna be a problem. Yeah, and now what I'm gonna do is basically I'm gonna just increase the size of this promo so that it takes the entire screen and align it. Maybe it's like a little bit more, maybe 4 or 4.2. 4.2 works fine. Maybe 4.3 will be perfect. Yeah, so and now I'm gonna reduce the opacity of these individually. Play button, reduce opacity. Movie poster, reduce opacity. CTA, opacity reduced. Ratings, reduce. So now this will look perfect. Let's see. So basically, yeah, now it looks good because that particular thing is scaling up now. And now let's play around with the animation timeline. Let's select all these, increase the duration to maybe 58 milliseconds. 58. I'm just gonna copy this elements here from the screen too, and gonna go here to the home page and gonna paste it and move it outside and gonna reduce the opacity to here. So I have moved this element section, so when you play you can see this is moving. So let's go to timeline, and I think the keyframes got misplaced somehow. Let's increase the time to 0.60. Let's see. Yeah, this looks perfect except for a few things which we need to fix, which is we need to reduce the opacity of this play button and the text which says movie name. Yeah, so now let's see. Okay, this looks good, and let's delete this third artboard which we don't need because we have already copied everything, And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the first home page and I'm gonna move these elements, and the second button which says CTA3, I'm gonna just move it a little bit more down so that it comes a little bit later, and back button also a little bit more down, somewhere a little bit here. So let's see how it comes. Okay, not much of a difference. So yeah, because here, so let's gonna increase the duration a bit more compared to the original ones. And yeah, this looks perfect. So you can see the button which says watch on Hulu comes a little later. Yeah, and let's animate the last thing, which is clicking on go back. We should go back to the home page. Let's see. This is amazing. Also the speed, I guess, is not right. Yeah, we can see here. So let's fix that. And while going back, we can do something like, the entire movie is going a little bit slow, so we can go to promo and we can select that and we can increase the duration a little bit. And maybe we can bring the header a little bit later and the footer a little bit later, so we can just select both of all these 4 keyframes and maybe increase them up. So let's see the animation. And when clicking on go back, maybe increase the animation a bit more. And now let's see it again. So the video plays, click on go back. Maybe we can reduce the duration of video a little bit more. Yeah, this is nice. Go back. So nice. And we talked about the fake tap area. So if you click here, it works fine, and if you click outside also, it works fine in that particular region. So see how smooth it looks, the bottom part. I love it. I love this kind of animation. That's the power of Principle. You can play video. You can you like everyone can imagine this kind how the app will look in your hand. And the best thing, you can preview this prototype on your mobile phone, on your device. So yeah, we're gonna do that in our next set of videos, and that's gonna be fun. So that's it for today. And in this video we learned 2 things, which is basically how to create fake tap areas and how to import videos and play videos inside Principle. So that's it. And in the next video we're gonna create a full-fledged interactive app prototype with video, with pagination and everything, and we're gonna preview that interactive prototype on mobile app. So it's gonna be fun.